So here I have a Kindle device here, and it uses e-ink. Now e-ink is a nice technology where it doesn't use any power as a static image. When the image is displayed, it only uses the energy when it changes the screen. So we can turn it on and it can change the image there, and you can read. It's like it's an Amazon little device here. The problem with this is the charging port. It's not really working, so we'll be fixing the charging port.
Yeah, you're just making it lower.
So to get the front bezel off, you have to use a little bit of heat. Don't try to pry otherwise you damage the screen. Now there are some screws that we can remove along the perimeter of the screen. Put the pins in here. Okay, put the pins through. And it comes out just like that. So here we have the battery. If you wanted to order the replacement part, it's a 1420 milliamp hour 3.7 lithium polymer battery. Amazon Kindle. It's a MC354775-05. So the charging port's down here. Check it out underneath the scope. That's the charging port. So here we can see this is the end of the USB port. I have the USB plugged in right here, and these are the pads, and you can see that they're actually moving. And you'll have probably, I believe this is negative, this will be negative, positive, there's detect, and then there's plus and minus for the data lines. These two go into the data lines, go in there. And the lifting off, that's what we're going to do, is we're going to solder those guys up. We have some flux here. Let's put a little bit of flux. Just like so. This pad probably lifted off of this trace. can see that this trace here is broke too, so we're gonna have to scratch those and we'll get that off. Those traces have broken right from the board. Flux is your friend. And then we'll just increase the temperature a little bit more. Now it's taking a charge. I just pulled the ground pin out, put it over here. VCC's right here. These ones I'll have to do manually. But it's taking charge now, so that's good. Second data line. when you plug it in, it should immediately start charging. It has this orange light, and you can see it's taking about 483 milliamps. So yeah, that's how to fix your device.